Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D element logo in After Effects using Element plugin. It's very easy. Now let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, then hit OK, go to text and type your logo or your letters. I'll type R, S, and now I want this point into the middle, so I'll go here and press Ctrl and double click and see. Yes, okay. Now I'll go to align and I'll put my letters into the middle and I'll press S and I'll increase it like this. Okay, now I'll go to layer, auto trace, make sure that you are on current frame, then okay. Now I don't need this one, so I'll delete this layer. Okay. Now I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it element. Element. Then press OK, go to effect, video copilot, and element. Okay, now go to layers here. Text and masks and choose auto trace. Now go to setup. Extrude. Okay, make sure that you are on extrusion model. Okay, and go to bevel scale and increase it like this. I'll type 10. Okay, and go to bevel copies and 2. Now we have bevel 1, bevel 2. So I'll go to bevel 1, texture, and now I will open. Now I'll import my texture. Okay. Okay. First one. Rock wall. And this is the first one. Gloss. I'll choose this one. And also normal palm. This one. Then press. Okay. Okay, you can find this materials on Cinema 4D Center. It's free. Okay, now I'll go to basic settings and I'll change this color. Maybe like this, and okay. Now I'll go to bevel tool and go here. Okay, and go to Z offset and change it to 1. See. Okay, now go to enable and check. Okay, now go to extrude and decrease it like this. Yeah, very good. Okay, now go here, presets and material, and I'll choose this material, this one, the gold one, on bevel. Okay, now I'll go here also basics or basics, and I'll choose this or maybe this. You can choose any basics here. Okay, this one is good for me. And here, press OK. See. Okay, now I'll go to File and import my background. Smoke. You can download it from Google. Then I'll press S and I'll increase it like this. And I'll go to Effect and Color Curves, and I'll make some settings here or some changes here, and red, also green, and blue, okay. And also I'll go to Effect again and Blur and Gaussian Blur, make it 8, maybe 12, good. Okay, and also I'll go to File and New Solid, and I'll call it Optical Flares, and press OK. Go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Optical Flares, and I'll go to Option here, and I'll remove all these lights, and I'll go here and I'll choose this one, then press OK. Set on black to transparent, and I'll put this on the top, and I'll change this color to yellow. Okay, now I'll go to File and I'll import also Firespark green screen like this, and press S and I'll increase it like this, and I'll go to Effect, Key Light, and okay, see. Also you can download it from YouTube. Press T to opacity, maybe 50 will be good. Yes. Very good. Okay, and now how to animate this logo. So I'll go to Element, okay, Group 1, and Group Utilities, and create Group Node, like this. Okay, now make sure that you are on the first frame, then press S, and I'll increase it like this a little bit, and keyframe, go to the last frame and decrease it. Yeah, like this. Okay, again go to Element and go to Output, and I'll check Enhance Multi-Sampling. Okay, Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to um, render settings and ambient occlusion, and also I'll check enable. Also shadow, check, and again I'll go to group 1 and particle locked and multi-object and check and see. X and Y, Z, rotation. Okay, now I'll open everything here. I don't need this trace again. Okay, now I'll go to element and I'll increase, or I'll decrease X rotation like this, and also Y rotation like this, and keyframe and 0. And see. And now you can try to make any animation you want. So if you okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.